Hello, in this next tutorial we will show you how to edit the menu on your website. Upon logging in and being greeted with your dashboard, you will use your mouse cursor to highlight Appearance, and we will select Menus from the drop-down. Next, we will let the page load. Once it is finished, you can see that we are currently editing the menu titled Home. By scrolling down, we can see all our main headings. We have Home, About, Services, and then as drop-down options we have the agency and modeling lessons underneath services. We also have men, women development and drop-down options for development such as men, women and kids, as well as the main menus, news, become a model and contact us. First, I will show you how to change this. To edit this menu, we will simply select one of the items and we can drag it across. Now our new menu will start with About Us, then go to Home, and then Services. We can change that by simply dragging Home back up to the top. Next, I will show you how to create one of these sub-menus. Say for example we want the About Us to become a sub-menu of Home, we will simply select the About Us and drag it to the right. As you can see now we have Home, and as a drop-down we will have the About Us underneath it as a sub-item. To put this back to default, we will simply drag the About Us back to the left. This can be done in quite a few levels. For example, we can have the Become a Model be a sub-item of News, and then we can put the Contact Us as a sub-item of the Become a Model. So the menu would go News, drop-down arrow, Become a Model, drop-down arrow, Contact Us. Again, we can fix this by simply dragging them back to the left. That is how you would edit the menu. Moving back to the top of the page, we can add to the menu on the left hand side here. First, we can choose what we wish to add, a page, a post, a custom link, or a category. We will start with the pages, and by default we are set to the most recent pages. We can change this to view all, or we can even search for a page. For the time being, I will look for the Contact Us. As you can see, I have located the Contact Us page, and I will simply select Add to Menu. Please note when you add to menu, it will automatically add it to the very end of the menu. Let's say, for example, I have added this Contact Us incorrectly, as we already have it there. I will simply choose the drop-down option, and I will select Remove, and it will remove that from the menu. Going back to the top, we can do the same for our posts. As you can see, we currently don't have any posts, so we can't add one. For the custom links, here we can add a link, a custom link, and text that we can add to the menu. So for example, we can add the URL for Facebook. And in the link text, we can title it as Facebook. Once we select Add to Menu, it will be added to the very bottom. Once we are happy with all the changes made, we will select Save Menu. And for this tutorial, I will be opening the front page in a new tab. As you can see, we have the menu, and at the very end we have our Facebook menu. If we were to select this, it would take us to the Facebook page. Going back to the menu section, we will remove the Facebook from the menu. Again, once we are happy, we will select Save Menu. That is how you would edit and add to the menu on your website.